Hello student, today we are going to learn what is arithmetic operators in C programming. Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations. Following are the arithmetic operator used in C language. This is operator, this is the meaning, this is example, this is the result. Plus operator meaning addition, example 5 plus 2, result 7. Minus operator meaning subtraction, example 5 minus 2, result 3. Operator multiplication meaning multiplication, example 5 asterisk 2, result 10. Slash meaning division, example 5 by 2, integer number by integer number, result is 2. Only give the result 2. Operator percentage meaning modulus operator to give remainder versus in integer division. 5 percentage 2, result is 1. It is the remainder. Okay. Example to obtain float or real value. 5.0 by 2.0, real value by real value, or 5 by 2.0, integer value by real value, or 5.0 by 2, real value by integer value, will produce the result 2.5. To get remainder versus on modulus operator, 7 percentage 4 produces the result 3. Only give the remainder. 44 percentage 10 produces the result 4. Only give the remainder. Okay. Now we discuss with a example problem the use of arithmetic operator. First, title. Write the title, program to find remainder. Hatch include header file stdio.h, hatch include conio.h void main within bracket declaration of variable integer variable x y z are integer variable int x comma y comma z semicolon clr scr semicolon, that means clear the skin. Now printf within bracket within quotation enter to value. Scanf function used for input the value of variable x and y within bracket within quotation control string %d comma ampersand x variable ampersand y variable bracket end semicolon. In this place we use the arithmetic operator z equal to x percentage y. Okay, printf within bracket within quotation the remainder is, this is control string comma z semicolon getcha bracket end program end. This program when we run we get the remainder value. Okay, it is always remember note that when two operand 5 and 2 are integer, the result obtained is integer. Okay, to obtain real value in the result, at least one of the operators must be float or double. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.